Good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas day 12. I cannot believe it's day 12 and that we're like halfway through Vlogmas. That is so weird, but good morning. I'm just finishing up my electrolytes. I've been having these like every single day and they're really helping with like headaches that come along with dehydration because I don't drink enough water. When it comes wintertime, I like don't want to drink water. It's like so weird. So I've been having these. Taste really good. They're really yummy. They make me drink more water, so that's good. Update on my PJs. They're literally so comfortable. I can't get over them. They're just so cute. Like I feel like a mom wearing these and like my life is actually put together. So again, I will link these in today's Vlogmas as well. They're just, oh, they're like the best quality. Time for Cheeto's advent calendar. He literally just stares at me and waits for me to bring this over to him. All right, come on. It's time for your advent calendar. All right, day 12. It's so funny like how much of a routine he became in ever since I started doing these calendars, because he knows every time I bring his over that it's his, and then obviously when he's finished I get mine out and he like knows it's mine. Last one. Can't believe this is halfway gone. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. All right, day 12. Some more cute poinsettias. It was so weird to wake up this morning and see snow on the ground because it actually didn't melt. I thought it would, but I don't know why I thought it would because it's like so cold outside. It's like 20s. It's currently 26 right now, but it's supposed to be sunny, so maybe that will make it melt. I'm not really sure. It's not like a lot of snow, it's just like a dusting, but it was like so weird to look out the window and see snow because we haven't seen snow here since we moved in. What is this? Ooh, more hand cream. Cool. Definitely need some of this. I'm gonna put some on right now actually. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like coconut. But I've just been planning my week this morning because it's Monday. I kind of have a busy week-ish, kind of a busy day today as well. I need to organize this apartment. I really want to organize the bathroom because I didn't get a chance to last night because it was kind of late. It's already 9:42. I woke up kind of late this morning. I woke up at 8. Cheeto kept waking me up last night. Also, I went to bed at 12 because I was editing Vlogmas. Pretty tired this morning and I let my body sleep in a little bit. So it's a slow start to the day, but it's okay because we can still be productive, get everything done, and it's gonna be a good day. Hi vlog, I'm gonna run to Trader Joe's really quickly. I just finished up with my workout for the day. I did an upper body class on the Peloton app. I wore one of my new Set Active sets and it was so comfortable. I like can't get over it. They're like my new favorite. And I also brought in my new mini little Vaseline in the car so I can put it on my lips because they're very dry. Oh my gosh, it's so cold out right now. It's literally only 30 degrees. So I bundled up, wore my big puffer from Aritzia. I still have on my set under this too because I haven't showered yet. I'll just do that when I get back because I have a meeting at 1:30 and it's like 11:30ish right now. So I'm gonna run to Trader Joe's really quickly and get a few things, stock up on some groceries for the week, and then I will head back. Back from the store, just unpacked everything. I got some fresh spinach, which I haven't gotten spinach in such a long time. I really want to start having smoothies again and putting fresh spinach in my smoothies because I don't get enough greens. So I got some spinach, I got some salad mix because I want to start having more salad. That's why I got some pepper and cucumber to go with that. Potato medley, the little mini potatoes, 2 things of dark chocolate covered pretzels, peppermint hold the cones. These are so good. I honestly like these better than the regular flavor. I wish that they had these all year because I love the peppermint. I got a new jar of peanut butter, only 1 avocado because I don't really eat them that much, but I like to have like 1. So I got 1 of those. Raspberries, bananas. I got a new oat milk. This is the one that's non-refrigerated, and I think her name is Camila. She always messages me on Instagram. She's super sweet. She told me to get this one because it only has water and oats, which I bought the Malk brand at Whole Foods like a couple weeks ago, and that is so expensive. It's like over $5 for 1 little bottle, and this was like 2 something. So this is what I'm gonna get from now on. So thank you to her for suggesting this to me. I got 2 of them. I got some regular milk, more heavy cream, and then also some cream cheese because I was kind of thinking cream cheese with the pepper and like everything bagel seasoning, since I don't know why that like came to me in the store, but it just sounded really good. So I got some cream cheese, and then for meat I got chicken tenders, pesto chicken breast, which we haven't gotten in a while, so I picked that up. And then I also got some bacon, but I didn't realize I got 2 packs, which I don't know if we'll go through all of this, but hopefully, because, or actually I'll just put 1 in the freezer. I did not realize I picked up 2. I was like so confused when I was unpacking everything, but that is all I got from the store. I'm gonna put everything away really quickly, maybe have time to take a shower because I have a meeting at 1:30 and it's 12:30, so I want to at least be a little bit ready for that. I don't know what's going on with me. I feel like I have such scatterbrain recently. I think I'm just like so busy. I have so many things on my mind. My meeting is literally tomorrow at 1:30. I was sitting on my computer waiting for someone to let me in on the meeting, and I was like, why isn't no one letting me in yet? Like, it's past 1:30, and then I was looking at my email and I was like, oh, it's literally tomorrow. So I was rushing getting ready for absolutely no reason. But I'm gonna make myself a little snack. I'm gonna do the pepper cream cheese and then everything bagel seasoning while I do some emails and some computer work. I didn't even have lunch yet. I'm just like not in the mood for a lunch yet. I want like a little snack. So I'm gonna cut up the pepper and basically just spread the cream cheese on the pepper and then sprinkle that on. Like, look at how good this looks. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat this. I haven't had this snack in so long. So I'm gonna eat this, do some emails. Sorry for the ambulance in the back. There's literally always noise. I'm gonna start cleaning the apartment. So you already know that means I need to put on some jazz and set the vibe so I'm nice and motivated. I think we'll do winter coffee jazz. I also opened the window because I know I'm gonna start sweating and it's nice and cold outside, so it should get a little bit cooler in here. I think it's like 70-ish in here right now. It gets so hot, like the sun is blazing in here right now, so it'll be nice to have the window open while I clean. I'm gonna vacuum, mop, and then a big project is the bathroom. I really want to organize the bathroom and put everything away that I bought at Target yesterday and just like organize under the sink. It looks so much better under the sink now. I used the Target bins that I got yesterday and organized my hair stuff in this one. And then back here, I just have extra stuff in that one back there, like cotton pads, soap, toothpaste. Much better than it was. I feel like I always have to reorganize this because I just get messy and throw everything in here. Hopefully I can keep it this way for a little bit so I don't have to keep reorganizing everything, but at least it looks so much better. The bathroom is nice and sparkly clean. I just mopped and vacuumed, wiped everything down, and I also switched out my products on my little tray right here. I have some Tatcha stuff, body lotion, eye patches, and then these things from Tatcha are new. They sent over some things the other day, which I'm excited to try. I think this is primer. It's called the Liquid Silk Canvas. This is sunscreen, powder, and then the lip mask, which I've always wanted to try that, but it just looks so nice and clean. I swear it's like the best feeling. Everything is restocked, and I have my little candle going. So it's 6 right now. Changed into my Christmas PJs. These are from Revolve. They're by the brand Show Me Your Moo, and I'm so obsessed with them. I just felt like wearing these pajamas tonight. I just had dinner. I just made chicken salad and had a sandwich with it because I didn't feel like cooking actual dinner because I just cleaned like the entire apartment and I didn't feel like doing more dishes and just like getting the kitchen dirty after I just cleaned absolutely everything. So that was my dinner. I'm gonna do my skincare now, get ready for bed because I'm a grandma and that's what I do. I literally start getting ready for bed at like 6 p.m. if I'm not doing anything and have nothing going on, and it just makes me feel so good. So why not do it, you know? So I'm gonna put my hair back, roll up the sleeves. It feels 10 times better to do my skincare in a freshly cleaned bathroom. Like, I'm in my glory. I'm so happy. It smells so good in here. I have my essential oil diffuser going and it just smells so fresh and clean. I think I might do a simmer pot tonight actually, because I just feel like having it smell really nice in here. Like after you clean and like doing something like that, lighting a new candle, a simmer pot, oil diffuser, like it just makes everything better. So I might do that after I finish my skincare. Just applying my nighttime skincare routine. A new step to my nighttime skincare is the vitamin C serum from La Roche-Posay. I used to add this on in the morning, but I had the whole dilemma with my skincare pilling, so I just add it in my nighttime routine. Next, I'm gonna take my serum from Osea. It's the Hyaluronic C Serum. Just putting on my moisturizer from Kiehl's. Now adding some eye cream. I'm gonna try out the Tatcha lip mask. Don't tell my Vaseline, shh. I always heard so many good things about this, so I'm just like excited to try it. So this breaks my Vaseline strike, but that's okay. Why can't I get this open? Oh my gosh. Wait, I literally can't open it. Is it a sign telling me not to use it? Why can't I open it? Come on. I literally can't open it. I've been trying for like 2 minutes straight. You know what? We're not gonna try it, I guess. Guess we're going with Vaseline. It must be a sign from the lip gods telling me to just stick with this for now. I usually don't do this at night, but I'm gonna spritz some of my water spray. It just feels so good. Nice and fresh. I'm gonna turn on my water to boil. Just filled my pot. I only have cinnamon, cranberries, and an orange. Usually you're supposed to put like rosemary too, and then something else, I forget. But I don't have the rosemary, so we're just gonna do the cranberries, orange, cinnamon. It's still gonna smell amazing. This is your sign to make a simmer pot. I feel like they're just so calming and relaxing, and just something about doing it after the apartment is nice and clean is just, ugh, I'm so excited. I think I'm just gonna use the rest of these cranberries. It just looks so pretty. I wish I had the rosemary because it would look so cute with the green and the red, but I can't wait for the apartment to smell good. Also gonna make tonight's tea. Day 12 is ginseng matcha green. Awaken your senses with a zip of red ginseng and pure green matcha. Also, I keep forgetting to read these. They're like cute little sayings on the calendar after you take the tea off. Today says, when your morning needs an extra sip, these are the herbs to light up your cup. But instead of the morning, we're having it at night, because why not? So I just got all nice and cozy. I'm gonna start editing today's Vlogmas from my bed. I just feel like being comfy and laying down and just relaxing. I just took a CBD gummy. I need to get adequate rest tonight because I haven't been sleeping that well. So I really want to go to bed early tonight, get this video edited and uploaded before tomorrow. So I'm all nice and cozy. I have my tea nearby. I still have the simmer pot going and it smells so good. I was gonna light a candle, but then I was like, what is the point? Like, it smells so good in here. So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, follow me on Instagram. Everything is always linked in the description, and I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.